Welcome to Scholars Tutorial. Today we'll learn all about nouns. So what exactly is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. For example, teacher, London, book, and love are all nouns. There are many types of nouns: common, proper, concrete, abstract, collective, countable, uncountable, and compound nouns. Let's go through each one with an example so it becomes nice and clear. Let's start with common nouns. A common noun is a general name given to people, places, things, or ideas. These do not start with a capital letter unless they begin a sentence. Examples include teacher, city, book, river, general names we use every day. Next, we have proper nouns. A proper noun refers to a specific person, place, organization, or thing. And it always starts with a capital letter. For example, Maria, London, Eiffel Tower, Christmas. These are unique names. Remember, if a noun names something specific and starts with a capital letter, it is a proper noun. We have other types too. A concrete noun names something you can see or touch, like rose or phone. Next, we have abstract nouns. An abstract noun names an idea or feeling you cannot touch, such as love or honesty. Now let's talk about collective nouns. A collective noun names a group as one unit, like team, family, or flock. Next, we have countable and uncountable nouns. A countable noun can be counted like book, apple, whereas an uncountable noun cannot be counted like water, advice. Finally, let's look at compound nouns. A compound noun is formed by joining words like ice cream, bus stop. So remember, nouns name people, places, things, or ideas. They include common, proper, concrete, abstract, collective, and more. With Scholars Tutorial, grammar becomes easy and clear. Subscribe and follow Scholars Tutorial for clear, exam-focused 11+ support. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.